Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to reset the app icon on your iPhone 17 or the iPhone 17 Pro back to default. So if you had customized your app icon and now they look differently and you wanted to go back to the original icons, then what you need to do is to long press in an empty area on your home screen to enter into the jiggle mode. Then press on the Edit button in the top left corner and from the Edit menu select Customize. And that's going to open this customization window. So what you want to do here is select Light. That's going to make the icon look back to the default. It's going to turn them back to default icons and they have been changed. Now it's your preference whether you want to use the light or the dark mode as a default icon, and you can select any one of them. And that's basically how to reset your icons back to the default settings on your iPhone 17 or the 17 Pro Max. So keep in mind that this is not only for iPhone 17 or the 17 Pro, this is also work for all the iPhone as long as they are running with the latest iOS 26 software. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Peace.